Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Periwinkle flower is very famous in India. They are widely cultivated as ornamental plants in many parts of the world, where they are often grown as annual or perennial. We can call periwinkle also Sadabahar. The Sadabahar plant is a small, bushy plant that grows up to 1 to 2 feet tall and wide. It is famous for its glossy, dark green leaves and produces small funnel-shaped flowers in various colors, including pink, white, purple, and red. You can grow it in a small sized pot. This pot size might be 5 to 6 inches. Also, my mom has used the minimum amount of soil that is used to grow this plant. Previously, we have uploaded lots of videos on this Sadabahar, also known as periwinkle plant. And here my mom is mulching the plant. We can do mulching in the harsh weather of the summer or the cold weather in the winter as well. Time to time, you need to clean all the weeds. Dig the soil for aerating the plant and apply some amount of kitchen waste compost. But whatever you do, in winter this plant will go in dormancy period. So in today's video, I will tell you how to take care of your plant in dormancy period and save it for the next year. The closer the winter is getting, the worse the condition of our plants is coming. Almost all the leaves are becoming yellow and falling off the plant. The flowers are also smaller and the color has almost faded. So before the harsh weather of the winter season, my mom has pruned the plant. Also, these plants can be easily regrown from the stems and the seeds, so there is no need to save it for the next year. But the main reason we will be saving it for the next year is because this plant gets very bushy and has a lot of branches if we take proper care of it. How many of you know the health benefits of this periwinkle flower? Before, we have already uploaded a video on how to make tea of these plants' flowers. It has lots of health benefits. Do you know it regulates diabetes and augments skin health, remedies respiratory anomalies? Do you know the periwinkle liquid extract offers soothing and astringent properties to balance and cleanse the skin while pampering it with soft and gentle touch? Here, as you can see, my mom is digging the topsoil and removing it. After removing the topsoil, my mom is going to apply some kitchen waste compost to the plants. As you all know that kitchen waste compost is a slow releasing fertilizer. That's why if you apply it once right now, it will be useful for the whole winter. Instead of this kitchen waste compost, you can use any other kind of organic compost such as cow dung compost, tea leaf compost, etc. etc. You all know that there is harsh temperatures in Delhi. That's why to maintain the soil coolness, my mom is going to mulch it. You can do mulching with dry leaves, dry paper or even dry grass if you like to. The harsh weather of the winter season will normally come in the 2nd of December. That's why till then all the branches will grow. After mulching your plants, make sure to keep them in a very sunny area. And in this winter season, make sure to give a little amount of water to your plants. If you wish to know how you can also make periwinkles tea, then we'll give it in the end screen. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.